If you're wondering on how to get or how to create your own API keys for Gemini keys and for Google AI Studio, then this is how to do it. So for API keys, you need to go ahead and log into your Google AI Studio. So for your current API keys, you'll be able to find them right here on your dashboard and all your API keys. And in order to create one, simply just click this button right here. So for a step detailed one, log into your Google account, visit the Google AI Studio platform. Get the API key with Google AI Studio from Gemini right here. Just simply click this button right here. If you go to this platform, you can get an API key directly. Then you want to go ahead and review and approve the terms of services. Then you want to go ahead and create your Gemini API key right here and choose what type of key it is and then create the key. After that, simply just copy the key link and connect your email and that's it. That's how you can basically create and set up an API key for Google AI Studio. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.